Hi friends, you remember just a few days back I had gone for shopping and I had bought these succulent plants also. So see this one, it is in this pot. This is a plastic pot and it's breaking from the sides, you see. So I'm going to repot it in this ceramic pot. So I'll keep it aside. And this is Lakshmi Kamal. This pot is okay, not breaking, but this also needs repotting, so I will do this also. And these are my ceramic pots. The depth is looking little too deep, so I think I'll put lots of pebbles here to make it little shallower than this, because succulents need shallow pots and I couldn't find any, so I'll make this only a shallow pot. So just be with the video friends till the end. You will see lots of tips on succulents repotting. When you bring the succulents from the nursery, we have to repot them because they are not in good soil. So this is my soil preparation friends. This I have already made. This is a very cheap and very good fertilized soil. This is having neem khali powder, neem cake powder, and lots of this kind of coarse sand. You see this? This is very coarse. So this, and then vermicompost and some fungicide powder and little soil. Soil doesn't have to be much because succulents don't need much soil. In fact, you can make it soilless media also, but I like to keep little soil in my media even for succulents because they hold the water little bit. So some people use coco peat instead of soil, but I like to use soil. The only disadvantage with the soil is that it catches fungus very soon. So we have to add fungicide powder. Like in this soil, 1 tablespoon I have put. And in between also every month you have to give a fungicide water to the soil, succulent soil. So I'm going to repot it now friends. Stay in tune. So this is how we are going to make our ceramic pot little shallow, because this is still too deep for our succulent plants. So just have a look. First we'll cover the hole by a clay pot piece like this, and then we'll put more clay pots like this. So you see its depth is reduced this much. Now from here till there it has become from here till there. Now to make it better than this, we'll put this coarse thick sand into this. So this is almost half covered now. Now we will fill it up with this succulent soil mix we have made. We'll tap it a little bit. Okay. Put little more soil over it and we'll plant our succulent here on the top. You see, it is totally soil media on there. Little cocoa peat is mixed in this, so we'll loosen it, take out the extra soil from this, clean it. Now this leaf has also come, but we'll propagate this leaf also. Now our plant is like this. We can remove some more leaves from this. Seems okay now. And we'll make a groove here. Put our succulent here and press the soil around it. So friends, this is the second succulent I bought recently from the nursery. You see this? I have taken it out from the soil. The roots are not so healthy and the plant is having lots of dead leaves underneath. So I will remove all these and then I will show this to you. And this is the pot. I have got it ready now with the same soil mix which I showed you yesterday. So I have planted this succulent here in this pot and lot of debris came out from this. You see this? Anyways, now the next step is to spray it with this diluted fungicide solution. Put some water also. Now no more water for at least 1 week in this. So both the plants are well nicely planted in the ceramic pots, friends. And the broken pieces, broken leaves which came out I have planted these also. So they will also produce some more propagation here. So friends, I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also, so that you get the notifications in time. See you later. Happy gardening.